Alright guys, if you're in the market for the Arpha D24 dash cam, this is a video for you. This is very nice towed and a designed camera. As you can see on this video, you're gonna see the camera shots, and it has a nice HD screen. As you can see, the screen is very nice and clean and very intuitive, like a touch screen is very nice to touch. Also, you can use your apps, and you can use the GPS tracker, all that stuff you can see, and the camera adjustments, a lot of good stuff on this the camera. And installation, as you can see, very easy to simple, and you can just move this camera very easy. As you can see, the mount is going to be stay there, and the camera, you can move it. You just unplug the two wires, and that's it. You're going to just stick it back. This is a GPS receiver, right? So when you click the GPS info, you're going to see how many GPS the signal is getting. Is a very strong, like so many GPS it's getting. So you're going to have any very accurate the GPS tracking, right? So on is that, as you can see, like in the menu, it's a lot of things I'm not gonna go through, but the camera built-in fit and finish quality is good. It comes with the 64GB SD card, and the running the cables is very simple. Like this camera is my temporary. As you can see, I run the wires around this area, so you're not gonna see anything. Enough wire for the rear camera also. So it's the largest CV I installed for my Tahoe, and it's the wires is very long and good. Video quality, it's amazing. Alright, so let's test the built-in microphone in the camera. So it's a camera installed on my windshield on the middle of the vehicle. This is a large SUV, and the camera is quite far away from me, and I'm talking with just a normal voice. And this is the audio quality from the built-in camera. 4K, yeah, actually you're gonna see the video quality and surprise, and the screen quality, it's very nice. Also, you can just switch the cameras between which cameras you're gonna look. It's the front camera or rear camera, or you can do the picture-in-picture, right? So yeah, overall a very nice camera for the price. This is from a camera, right, the wire, right? But the Arpha, they give you just the USB cable like this, and USB cigarette lighter. But on this case, I'm going to use this, and this part is going to be opens for any other additional electronics, so you're going to use it. So it's on the vehicle, right? So yeah, this is my review. Nice camera for the price, and you can see the video qualities. Rear camera, front camera, of course both camera, rear and front cameras, also records the audio separate file for the front camera, separate file video including the audio and the GPS time, and the rear camera also separate file including the audio.